Hey, my name is Ben. I'm with the Kettering Bulldogs FTC Robot in 30 Hours team, and I'm going to be talking about the two different chassis that we've used on our two robots.
Giving you a voice.
Making it loud our own way.
Welcome to the fun.
Thanks to Kettering University for their support of this video.
To start off, we have the AndyMark TileRiser chassis. And this is a really nice chassis that's brand new. It was built specifically for this game. So as you know, you have to go over an obstacle in order to get to the freight. And so this gap here really helps a lot with being able to maneuver around on the field. We found through our testing that it's very nice and smooth going through that, as opposed to, for example, the goBILDA chassis, which is the goBILDA Strafer chassis that's pretty popular among many FTC teams. It actually would get caught pretty easily. However, we did some modifications to it in order to be able to use this chassis. Basically what we did was we just hacked off the sharp corners on the U channel here, and that allows us to go over the obstacle relatively smoothly. Overall, both are pretty great chassis. Some recommendations: since the U channel here is facing downward, the rubber ducks can actually get caught in here pretty easily. So we would recommend having like a skirt of some sort or something that covers the inside of the U channel, because it can be pretty detrimental if you get a duck stuck under there. On the other hand, the AndyMark chassis glides right over the ducks pretty easily, and even some of the scoring elements like the ball and the cube. So on the side here, the cube does stop, but you can actually pass straight through here if you wanted to. The ball, on the other hand, does stop here, so it won't go under the chassis. Again, with the duck, these are somewhat of a pain because they can get under there pretty easily, but they're easy to get out. I think what we would recommend is actually having a sort of brush that would go here, so it would prevent any game element from going under your robot, and also you would still be able to go over the obstacle pretty easily. And you could also do like a piece of surgical tubing. You can get pretty creative with it. But yeah, that's the differences between the chassis. We like both of them. And yeah, that's about it.
Thanks to Kettering University for their support of this video. Don't just sit in class. Kettering University is the only school in the US that allows you to work as an engineer your first year with their 3-month on, 3-month off co-op programs. If you are a US student grades 8 through 12, scan the QR code to stay up to date on info and events happening at Kettering and get a free Kettering t-shirt when you sign up by December 12th, 2021. Thank you to AndyMark, goBILDA, and Robotics for providing components and giveaways to the Bulldogs Robot in 30 Hours team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow, and check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.